Hi, welcome back to the ASP.NET Webform and Entity Framework Learning by Example project. And today in this video, I would like to show you how to work with the Visual Studio to create a pages for the website. And after that, we will create some the custom style sheet for the site. Okay, so let's get started. I will close this one, and I will open the Visual Studio. This is the VS site in the Visual Studio we are working on. Okay, so now let's run it on the website VS site.local. Okay, so this one is the home page of the website we are working on. So now instead of using the default page here, I will go ahead to remove some content on the home page, and after that I will create some other pages for this system. Okay, so for creating the basis, I will based on the table we are using for this system to create the corresponding site, corresponding page for the site. Okay, cool. So now I will open the Visual Studio. I will open the site master. Okay, so here after you create a project using your Visual Studio 2017 here, so it will automatically create two master templates. The first one is site.master. This one is using for the web viewing, and the second one is the site.master .mobile.master. This one is using for the mobile devices. And in this tutorial, I just using the site.master, and I don't forget on guide you how to uh, create the site by for the responsive for viewing the content on the tablet and mobile device. So maybe I will do it in another video and tutorial later. Okay, so now I will use the site.master only. But I think we will just keep this one in this project. Okay, cool. I will open. So now I will open the default page. There is a home page of this website. Okay, make it smaller. Okay, so this one. So I will go ahead to delete some content on this page and just keep the ASP content, the body content here. Okay, go. Delete this one. And I will open the about here. I will copy this. Okay, cool. So now I will back to the master. You scroll down here in the master. Okay, I will talk about the StyleSheet and JavaScript later. And now I just forgot on the menu. Yeah. So here, back to the website, you can see this one is the application name and some other menu. Application name here, you can change it. So now I will change it to the Webform learning. And the home page, yeah, so this one is the hyperlink, which will direct me to the some corresponding page in the website. Okay, so for example, you can see here, this one is home page. It will direct me to the index page of this website, and the about. We have other about page here, so it will direct me to the about. So same thing for the contact page. Okay, cool. So now here in the footer, I will change something for copyright information. Chuyên vụ. Okay. And for now, I will go ahead to create some other page, and I will name it the category contact us, news, order and order detail. I will work on it later. And product and user. Okay, cool. So now let's follow my video. Here in the add new item here, we should select the web form with master page. Yeah, so because for now we are using the site.master, there is a master page of this of the whole site. So we have to select the template in web form with master page. Okay, so and what is master page? Master page there is a global template for sharing with another page. For example, the menu and the footer in the website, we should use it in another on the page in the system. So we should put it into the master page. Instead of for example, if you don't use a master page, so when you create any pages, so you have to paste the code of header and footer into all of the page, so it will make some duplicate for the content. So if you have any change for the footer and also the header, so you have to go through all of the page in the system to change it manually. So here instead of go through all of the pages in the system, so you just need to open the site.master page to change only one only one time. So after that it will affect to all of the pages in the system. That means it will save the time for you to do another thing. Okay, cool. So now I will back to creating the pages for the website. I will create a category here, add, and here I have to select the master page we are using for the website. I will select the site.master. Okay. So here the page title I will name it the category. Okay. And I will copy the title here. So when you open the website, go through to the category .asp page here, it will display the page title here. Okay. For the contact us, I will use the default page of the website. There is the contact. Okay. I create news. Product and user. Sorry. I will copy the title to some new pages. Okay, here, so I think I will copy the content ID. It is the body content to make it look good. Actually, you no need to copy the body content here. So because I want to make sure the content on any page, it will have some the identification is meaningful. Okay, cool. Save it. So now let's try to build the project again. Yet you can see here build succeeded. And now I will back to the website and try to refresh this one. Hopefully no issue. Yeah. So it seems we have no issue. Okay, so now you can see we are on the home page, contact page, and about page. Okay, so I think I will back to the Visual Studio. I will remove the about page here because we don't want to use it in the system. Okay, so I will back to the site master and I have to update uh, the hyperlink for menu. I have home page and the next one it should be news. Copy the name new, sorry, new product category user. Okay, so now the first I will give it is the user. The second one is category. Product uh, and new, and the last one is contact. Okay, review. Okay, because for now we don't have the about page here, so it will display the not found. Yeah, so now you can see on the menu we have a new hyperlink has been added to the website. Clicking on the home page, it will open the home default page, and the user, it should be the user page, category, product, news, and contact. Okay, cool. So now for the contact here, I will go ahead to edit some content. For category, it double title, remove contact. It is very easy for editing the content here. You just go ahead to edit the content. Okay, so here I will try to edit the content. Support. I will enter my email here. chien.viet@gmail.com. Okay, and here is some address information. Okay, I will display the contact. Okay, so there is my information. I will back to the contact page and try to refresh this page. Okay, so after that you can see here, for now I have a new contact information of myself displaying on the contact page. If you have any question, feel free to let me know over my email or go ahead to add my Skype here. Okay, cool. So now we have just finished to create the basis for this website. And now if you want to do the custom the style sheet for this website and how to do it. Okay, cool. So now I will open this one. And at this time, all of the style sheet of this website we are putting into the content folder. So now I will go ahead to create a new file. I will call it the new item style sheet. I will call it style.css. Okay, cool. So for the body, I will do some testing here. I will change the background color blue. Okay, important. So now back to the site master. Okay, so you can see here in the header section we have the bundle reference. There is a so we are using a bundle to handle the style sheet in this website. So by default, for now we are using the latest version of the Visual Studio, and it is fully support for us for some feature like bundle to manage the style sheet and also the JavaScript as well for easier to encoding, and it will improve the performance loading for the website when you are accessing on the internet or something like that. Okay, so there is a bundle, and also we have another bundle for JavaScript. Okay, so for JavaScript, it is handling the bundle in the bundle config.cs file here. Okay, so for the JavaScript and the query, we are putting it into the script folder. There are the bootstrap, the query, and response, blah blah here, Webform, a lot of things. Okay, so here and the content is there is a folder which contains the style file in the system. Okay, so now because we have just add new the style sheet here, so we have to include it into the build. How to do it? Okay, so you can see here in the solution project we have a file is the bundle.config file here. Open it up, and you can see here for now it is using the include and provide the path of the file which we want to be include into the website when I'm building. Okay, so here I will copy a new one, paste it here, and it should be style.css file. Okay, cool. Close this, and now I will try to. Okay, so before I building this one, I will open this and view the shortcode. And here you can see for now we only have the style sheet is the bootstrap and style.css file included into this website, and try to review this one after the change. Okay, so refresh this page. Here you can see now after we add new the StyleSheet file into this solution and include in the website. So I have a demo by changing the body background into the blue with the important information. So for now, the background image or the background color of the website has been changed to blue. Okay, try to refresh it. Okay, here, so you can see for now we have a new line of the link StyleSheet file into the project, into the website has been added to it. Okay, cool. So now go to other page. Okay. Okay, so now I will go to the style sheet and I remove this one. When I adding this one background color here, so I just want to do some the testing purpose to make sure this work. Okay, cool. Refresh this one again. I have to view. Okay, cool. So I think that's all for today. And after if we need with this video, you know how to create the pages for the site. And after that, you know how to create the custom style sheet. And after that, we will do it later in another video to create the layout for the pages in the system. Okay, hope that helped and do let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and talk to you later in another video.